Welcome to Cakes Factory. Today we are presenting a luxurious galaxy of rose and gold cakes that are perfect combination of softness and elegance, floral charm and golden glamorous. The first one is blush rose cake with gold leaf. A smooth blush pink buttercream dressed with scattered edible gold leaves topped with fresh roses. This design is soft yet regal, perfect for wedding or milestones birthday. The next is gold rip and golden rose cake. A white base with metallic gold drip and pink garden roses, modern, luxurious with natural floral balance. Add pearl sprinkles for delight texture. The next is rolled rose gold metallic tide cake, an amber buttercream blend with soft rose to bold rose gold, topped with metallic sugar roses, bold, feminine, and unforgettable. The next is vintage pink cake with gold accent, textured pink buttercream gold, painted lace, piping, and soft floral cluster. This make vintage style cake shine. The next is white and rose gold floral cake, crown cake, a tall white tie cake with a crown of blush roses and golden berries, subtle and majestic, ideal for bridal showers and elegant celebrations. The next is rose print and gold ribbon cake. Decorate with edible rose print, fondant and gold stained ribbon. This cake feel like a work of classic art. The next is minimalist blush cake with gold topper. A single tied blush cake, clean and smooth, with a gold script cake topper, understated yet sophisticated. The next is pink macaron and gold splash cake. Decorate with pink macarons, gold blush splashes, and mini roses. A playful and modern mix of texture, trendy and fun with a legs twist. The next is two-tiered floral romantic cake. Two-tiered of soft pink frosting, gold trimming at the base, and cascading rose in white and blush, timeless and sweet. The next is abstract gold line and pink bloom cake. An abstract style with cake with hand painted gold lines and sculpted buttercream roses in light pink, aesthetic and bold, perfect for creative celebrations. From soft floral detail to shimmering gold touches, roses and gold cakes for timeless elegance for any occasion. Which design would you love to try? Want to create your own roses and gold look? Here are some stylish tips. Mix soft pink with warm gold, not silver to keep it cohesive. Use gold leaf, gold drip, or gold dusted flowers for a sprinkle. Match the gold with gold rimed petal plates. Pink floral or rose theme. Table decorate for the full experience. It's all about balance between romance and luxury. At Cakes Factory, we believe in soft color and strong style. If you enjoy this elegant rose and gold gallery, make sure to like this video. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more amazing ideas. Share with your someone who love party cakes. And tell us in the comment, would would you go with blush, hot pink, or rose gold metallic? Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, Stay positive and stay blessed. And happy baking. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.